Hello everyone, this is Hatsiri Martinez and this is the week 11 assignment, ASP.NET Core Web API. So let's test the app. First, we're going to navigate to this URL. So let's run the app, the Web API. We're going to test that part. And well, in this part, the port is the automatically assigned port number from the app for the app. So we're going to test the controller's parameterless get action method, and a JSON response is going to be displayed like this. So So as you can see here, we have the design patterns, a price, category, computers, author, and clean code, and you can see the ID here. So in the third part of this test, this is where we're going to look by the ID. Okay, so let's try with the clean code ID. Is this, and it is showing just the ID, like the information related with that ID. Okay, so this is how it works. MongoDB is a form of we can create a database. So yeah, so this is how it works. So thank you so much for watching and see you next week.